Hello YouTubers, it's me again. This time I'm going to be shooting my M1 Grand rifle. I'm going to need something to shoot at, so I'm going to use this crap. I have no clue what, well, no, I know what this is. This is, alright, I'm not quite sure. Yeah, you got me there, but I'm going to shoot through it. This is going to be really freaking awesome if I can get this to stand straight up, just like that. And then, yeah, it's going to be awesome. Don't mind my sister's vanity over there. She's completely beyond me, but I'm going to shoot through that. So let me find a place to set the camera. Give me a minute. Let's see. Oh, this might work. Okay, that did not work. That'll work. Goes. Good. Let's go take a look, shall we? One stuck. That never happens. Pretty big friggin' holes on the exits. Thank you for watching my video. More to come.